Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 versus the old Honor 7X. And Honor 7X comes with a high silicon Kirin 659 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with a 3GB RAM, and this color is looks very amazing, and that is called as the Aurora Blue. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and show you what is the difference between a Y7 Prime 2019 versus a Honor 7X. Here we go. And Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a teardrop notch and all aspect ratio with the Honor 7X because it has a 1-year-old phone. Let's see who is faster there in this booting test. And the Honor 7X is faster there. That's a very good sign. And Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and 3GB RAM on both phones. First application is the phone dialer, and that got faster on the 7X, just a tiny bit. Launching the settings, and again just a tiny bit faster on the 7X. Launching the calculator on both phones, and that was about the same on both phones. Let's launching some more application is the My Files, and again just a tiny bit faster on the 7X. Let's launching some games application and show you what is the difference between both of these phones. The Candy Crush, and the Honor 7X is faster there, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. Next up is the Temper Run 2, launching at the same time. Let's see who is faster there. And the Honor 7X is faster, and Y7 Prime 2019 is also right behind, about 2-second difference there, 2 or 3-second difference. Next up is the next game application is the Subway Surfer, and the Honor 7X is faster there, and Y7 Prime is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, the basic application. Here we go, and that got up faster on the Honor 7X. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Google Chrome, and show you guys what is the speed. I have launched the internet browser on both phones, and first website is the wikipedia.org, and just a tiny bit faster on the Y7 Prime 2019, and Honor 7X is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see it looks very smooth. Let's go back, and launching the next is the facebook.com, and Honor 7X is faster, it is super duper fast. Next website, and Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. Let's see the RAM measurement, and 3GB RAM on the Y7 Prime versus a 3GB RAM on the 7X. Phone dialer, and RAM measurement is looking incredible on both phones. Last is the internet browser. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely just a tiny bit faster on the 7X because it has a more powerful processor than the Snapdragon 450 inside the Y7 Prime, and RAM management is absolutely incredible on both, so not much a difference between a Y7 Prime 2019. And you can see Y7 Prime is giving you a teardrop notch, but I hide the notch in the settings as well because sometimes I like the notch and sometimes I don't like the notch. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Y7 Prime 2019 versus the Honor 7X. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.